Good morning, students. Today's question from area related to circle. I have given one in previous video. I have given one question. That question is starting था तो बहुत easy. But today's question there is some trick. Okay, and question is not general. What is the question? The elastic belt is placed around a rim. Suppose this is a rim. This is a circular rim. A pulley radius 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is radius given 5 centimeter. So it is also 5 centimeter, right? One point on the belt is pulley is directly away from the center O and center O of the pulley until it is at point P, which is 10 centimeter. Okay, which is 10 centimeter until it is at 10 centimeter. It means this distance is given 10 centimeter. What distance? Distance OP is given 10 centimeter. OP is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. And radius is given. Radius means OA is equal to OB. That is given 5 centimeter. And find the length of the pulley. Length of the pulley AP, or length of the pulley that belt connected with the rim. Also find the shaded region. Length of the pulley means AB. We have to find out AB, and we have to find out the area A, P, B and Q. A, P, B, Q. Shaded region. This is the shaded region, and we have to find out it. Is that question is clear? What can you do? Just see, this angle must be 90 degree. Okay, this angle is 90 degree. Why? Because it is a tangent. Okay, the triangle OAP and triangle OPB is congruent. So the area is 2 times of area one triangle, that is 2 times the total area. It must be equal to AOPBP. So sum of 2 triangles, that is AOPB. Okay, and and then we subtract the area of the sector. Okay, area of ट्रायंगल AOPB के लिए हमें चाहिए बेस. बेस हमारे पास नहीं है, कैसे निकालेंगे? और थीटा भी चाहिए हमें. सबसे पहले देखो, इन ट्रायंगल AOP, इन ट्रायंगल AOP, तो AOP सपोज दिस इज थीटा. ओके, तो निकालना है हमें ये P और B, और H है हमारे पास. कैसे निकालेंगे? आप पाइथागोरस से भी निकाल सकते हो, पर मुझे थीटा निकालना है, तो मैं क्या करूंगी, P बाई बी, B बाई एच. B बाई एच किस में आता है? याद आ रहा? B बाई एच किस में? ट्रिगोनोमेट्री कॉस में आ गया. कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू B बाई एच. B by H. So B is given and H is given. Cos theta is equal to B by H. B is equal to 5. H is equal to 10. Cos theta. तो 1 by 2. कब होता है cos theta 1 by 2? 60 degree. 60 degree. So the total angle, total यहाँ से यहाँ तक हो जाएगा 120. एरिया ऑफ एंगल ऑफ सेक्टर, ये थीटा और थीटा मिलके 120 हमारे पास आ जाएगा. ना एरिया लेंथ निकालना है, तो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क ए बी इज इक्वल टू होता है थीटा बाई 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर. थीटा is equal to 120. 360 इंटू 2 इंटू पाई को पाई में रहने देते हैं. आर मतलब 5. 0 0 कैंसिल. इट equal to 10 pi by 3. One answer. Now we have to find out the area of the shaded region. इरेज कर रही हूं मैं, ठीक है. तो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन, एरिया ऑफ shaded region is equal to area of A O B P minus area of sector AOB cube. Is it visible? Area of 2 times 2 into half into base into height. Base of the triangle AOP 5. Both the triangle are congruent. That is why I am taking 2 into height. Height is equal to, I have find out height in the previous, how much height? This is the height and we didn't find the height. Now we find out 100 minus 25 root over, that is 75. Okay, 75 minus area of sector 120 by 360 into pi r square 5 into 5. Okay, 2 and 2 cancel, and 25 you can write 25 into 3, 5 into 25 into 3 root over minus 3 times 25 by 3 pi. Okay, 5 25 पर निकाल लिया मैंने तो 5 बच गया, रूट 3 minus 25 by 3 pi, and it is equal to 25 throughout common, so we can root 3 minus pi by 3. You can solve it. 25 by 3, that is equal to 3 root 3 minus pi. This is the answer. Continuous watch my channel. I am giving whole syllabus, total syllabus, and especially important questions in my channel and in my video. You watch it and improve it. Okay, thank you.